Good morning, everybody. Well, actually, it's kind of like midday. It's like, I want to say 12 o'clock right now. But I thought I would just start off a little weekly vlog for you guys. I'm also still home in LA, as you guys can probably tell by my room. I leave for Indiana this Thursday or Friday morning, I think. Friday morning. Yeah, I should probably check that. But I thought I would just start off a little weekly vlog right now and show you guys what I get up to while I'm home. And then just finish it off probably in Indiana when I'm back at school. But right now I'm gonna go meet up with one of my friends and we're gonna go on a hike. I think he's here right now. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say, so let's go. Lincoln has a workout vest. Oh my god, how do you wear it? Can you lift it up? Wait, it's so heavy. Wait, actually, I don't know how you wear this.
Yeah.
Wait, that's ridiculous. What? We have our masks that we're gonna wear. Yeah, you are. We have our masks. We're being safe. Wow. Guys, this hike is no joke. Yeah, wait, this is actually so pretty. Let me show you guys. How stunning. This makes me sad to go back to school.
Yeah, you sure you want to go back?
I also have my mask. We're just not wearing it because there's literally no one here right now.
Got my mask too.
Okay, we just finished the hike. It was such a good workout. Lincoln has an Apple Watch, so we can track how many miles we did and how many calories and stuff.
2.6 miles, 413 total calories, 315 total active calories.
Wow.
Yeah.
Boss. Okay, just got back home a little bit ago and made myself some dinner. I kept it super clean just because I have a workout in an hour. But I just made a really yummy big salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, what else is in here? Banana peppers, some butter leaf lettuce, and yeah, just some olive oil and balsamic. And then I also have a piece of fish, some black cod. But yeah, that is dinner. I don't usually work out this late, but yeah, we're switching it up. I'm just wearing this oversized hoodie and then these blue leggings that are from, I want to say All Access. They're super cute and really comfy. I also look crazy right now, so you guys basically already know what I look like though. I think I'm gonna go make a coffee before I work out, but I will see you guys there. He's not showing off for the vlog at all, no. By the way. Yeah, one more.
She left me hanging. I can't believe that.
One more set left. Wow. I'm dead. We literally just started also.
We started off with the 5-minute squats. We squat for 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm really out of breath right now. And then we hopped into single leg RDL.
Those were so hard. Yeah, give him a little example. He comes ready.
So one leg forward, other leg back, biscuit, single leg deadlift.
We take these very seriously. That was a really good example. Do you want to do one more?
No. So here's Paige showing us what's up right here. What a beast.
just finished working out. Wow.
Credentials?
Kicked my ass. Major.
Look
How
at
many?
that.
Oh my gosh,
1,000.
we just burned 1,000 calories.
Oh my god. I am tired.
Also, shout out to X Action, his dad's gym. It's legit. You guys will get such a good workout. Yeah, amazing. And shout out to him for letting us work out here. Also COVID safe, by the way.
Yeah.
It's around almost 4 o'clock right now. Stopped at Sephora and just picked up a bunch of like little restocks as well as a bunch of random stuff. So I thought I would do a little haul for you guys in this vlog and show you what I got. So first thing, it's the Too Faced lip plumper set. I've actually never tried the original lip plumper to begin with, but these had a sugar cookie and also pumpkin pie scent, so I got it. What's the next thing I got? Oh, this is a restock. Too Faced. Is this Too Faced? Yeah. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This and the Honest Beauty mascara are like my two go-tos right now. Oh, another restock was this Kat Von D Tattoo Lip Liner. This is just, I feel like, the best OG black liquid liner. Comment actually down below if you guys have any good recs for a liquid liner, because I've used this forever and just have found nothing better. So I'm curious. Another restock I got is this Josie Maran body lotion. This is my favorite lotion. If you get one thing from this little mini haul, it's this. It smells so good. What else did I get in here? Oh, this is actually a new concealer I just picked up. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Which one is this? I think it's the self-setting concealer. I'm really wanting to try a new concealer, so I picked this up and I'm in the shade 31.5. Comment down below if you've tried it and if you like it. Okay, next things I got are all from Patrick Ta. I love his makeup line. It's bomb. Everything I've used has been really good, so I just picked up a bunch of random goodies. I got 2 lip liners from him in the shade Oh She's Single, and then just She's Strong. So I thought they were fitting. Last thing I got is this little NARS lippy. It's in the shade Laguna, and I actually love the NARS Laguna bronzer, so I picked this up. It just has this really nice bronzy glow to it. Like, how pretty is that? It has like a little sparkle in it too. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. I don't really have anything else planned for the day. I do have to go study right now for an exam I have this week. I'm gonna go do that right now, and I guess I will talk to you guys when something fun is happening. Okay, I'm about to make some dinner right now. I'm gonna cut some sweet potatoes and make healthy fries. Just gonna put some of the sweet potatoes on here. Okay, just season these with a little bit of salt, pepper. What else did I do? A little bit of granulated garlic. Oh, and then also some cinnamon. And I kind of went a little overboard. But now I'm gonna just put these in the oven for like around 45 minutes at 450. Just like until they get crispy. I just mix them around at like 15 minutes, do a little longer. They kind of take a little bit to cook, so I just eyeball it. I also just rinsed these shishito peppers. We got these at the farmer's market this weekend. So I'm gonna have some of these on the side, and then also some cut up zucchini. And there's just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper on these. Morning guys, I just woke up a little bit ago. It's around 10:30 right now. It's Friday. I was actually supposed to be on a flight right now, back to Bloomington, but I last minute changed my mind, and now I'm going back Thursday of next week. I do have a phone meeting at 12 o'clock today. Maybe I'll get a quick workout in actually right now before, and then maybe I'll try and find something fun to do for the sake of this vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna get up and start my day, so let's do it. Okay, ignore my room because it's kind of a mess right now. But I want to show you guys this workout fit that I just picked up. Let me actually show you guys without the sweatshirt on so you can tell better. I want to say you call it like a workout onesie, I think. But I got it off Revolve, and I think it's just the coolest thing ever. And it's also so comfy to work out in. I'm like so into it. I feel like you're either gonna love it or hate it, but it also looks cool if you wear the sweatshirt with it. If you're like going out to lunch after with one of your friends after a workout or something, it just looks super cool, I feel like. And there's your outfit. Boom. Done. But yeah, that's the workout fit. I wanted to show you guys that just because I have been obsessed with it lately. I think I'm gonna just do like a nice incline walk or something like that, because I'm not really feeling the workout today, but still want to get something in. I think I'm gonna just do a walk at like a 2.0 incline and then a 4.0 speed, and then just see how this goes. Just finished my walk. Boom. Time for my phone call now. Hi, I'm so sorry. I was so confused for some reason. So nice to meet you all. It's been a little since I last vlogged. I think since my phone meeting, but it's around...
Since when?
My phone meeting. We're getting ice cream from our favorite place. I'm with Lincoln also. This is the fit. Show them the fit. The Aviator Nation.
You know, slight.
Zippa, oh, the Nikes. Pop off. How fire does that look?
Not as fire as this.
Yeah, I couldn't make up my mind, so I got both. So difficult.
Lighting? Check.
Fun fact is that every time I ask Lincoln to go get Humphreys, I say Hartzell's because it's the ice cream place in Indiana. And so now he just doesn't even correct me at this point.
I say Hartzell's.
Yeah, he does say Hartzell's. It's really funny. This ice cream's the best though. If you're in LA, you have to go to Humphreys. What's your favorite, Krispy Kreme or ice cream?
Oh, definitely donuts.
Uh-huh.
Thing called, like, where like YouTubers like eat so much food in like one
A
sitting.
mukbang!
I feel like
We're literally doing a mukbang.
I feel like I could destroy that.
You could. You would do really good. You'd do a
I
really
could-
good one. I've always
I
wanted to
honestly
do
think
one.
you could eat 20,000 calories in a day.
You?
Yeah, what do you think? You don't think so?
That's
10,000
a lot.
calories, way too easy.
Okay, well, we're gonna go eat our ice cream now. Cheers.
I'm currently editing this video, and I don't have an outro. I always forget to film them. I don't know why. But I just wanted to come on here and say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe down below. I'm also back home in Bloomington. I just started filming another weekly vlog today, so stay tuned for that. That'll be up next Tuesday. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I made Lincoln play this song because it reminded me of my childhood.
Injection. Am I okay?
I don't know how to turn it off.